ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ዛሬ እንግዲህ የባዮሎጂ ጥያቄ ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። ባዮሎጂ ሴል ላይ የወጣ አንዳንድ ጥያቄዎች አሉ እና 10 ጥያቄዎች ይሆናሉ ማለት ነው። ቀጥታ ወደ ቪዲዮ እንግባ። What's the basic unit of life? የላይፍ ቤዚክ ዩኒት ኦፍ ላይፍ የምንለው ሴል ነው እንደምታውቁት። So the answer is cell. What's the basic unit of cell? What's the basic unit of life? It's cell ማለት ነው። Which organelle is known as powerhouse of the cell? የፓወር ሃውስ ኦፍ ዘ ሴል እንደምታውቁት ማይቶኮንድሪያ ነው። What controls the activity of the cell? The activity of the cell is controlled by nucleus. Which structure is found only in plant cells? Plant cell only contains or cell wall is the structure which is only found in plant cells. So the answer is A. What's the function of ribosome? Ribosome function is to make proteins. Which part of the cell regulates what enters and leaves the cell? The cell membrane is the cell that regulates what enters and leaves the cell. What is the jelly-like substance inside the cell called? Inside the cell, the jelly-like substance is called cytoplasm. Which organelle contains chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is in the chloroplast. So the organelle that contains chlorophyll is chloroplast. Which type of cell doesn't have a nucleus? A nucleus is found only in a multicellular organism or a multi-cell. Plant cell have nucleus, animal cell have nucleus, but when it comes to unicellular organism, they don't have a nucleus. Some may have, but like a bacterial cell doesn't have a nucleus. What's the function of vacuole in plant cell? The function of vacuole in plant cell is to produce protein or protein synthesis. Vacuole is used for protein synthesis. So this is, and when it comes to the answer, this is the answer key for the questions. I hope you learned something from this video. Please like the video for the next